more than 100 million Americans on alert for tornadoes, huge hail, and damaging winds sweeping across the central U.S.
Race against time, the search to find survivors of that massive Southeast Asia earthquake. New pictures showing the extent of the damage and another strong aftershock this morning.
Tariff anxiety, the question surrounding President Trump's expected slate of sweeping tariffs and what it could mean for your wallet.
Stranded at sea, we hear from the two teen paddleboarders who spent 16 hours off the coast of Florida, grateful for the fishermen who rescued them.
Thank you so much for everything you guys did.
What went through their minds as they waited for help?
And March Madness, a thrilling come-from-behind victory. And the Cinderella story unfolding on the women's side. A proud papa in the stands. All the action on the court as we say,
Good morning, America! Feel the vibration. Come on, come on.
Live from ABC News in New York, this is Good Morning America.